Welcome to this video on curricular alignment in program design. Curricular alignment is an approach to curriculum design that optimizes the conditions for quality learning by creating an integrated system where instruction and assessment in individual courses support the achievement of the overall program outcomes. So what? Why should we care about an aligned curriculum? To answer this, I invite you to consider, why do you have a program of study? What is the purpose of having a program of study instead of a set of discrete learning experiences? I think we have a program of study because a system of knowledge, skills, and values exists that we think are important, and it's our job as experts to shepherd novice learners through a process that enables them to know and care about the discipline that matters to us. So we create a program. And as experts creating this cohesive program, we're required to deliberately think about both the scope of which knowledge, values, and skills we include, and the sequence in which learning takes place. This also means that we adapt and continuously improve as new knowledge and skills enter our discipline and old knowledge, values, and skills need to be removed. Effectively shepherding our learners not only requires us to think about the scope and sequence, but also requires us to think about how students learn effectively so we don't waste our design or teaching time. So how do we best help our novices learn when we design a program? Well, we ensure that in our design that students encounter key concepts and skills in the right order. We ensure that we reinforce learning at the right moments, that our program scaffolds learning experiences for students across the courses, that our program learning outcomes align with our course level outcomes, that across our program we design common assessments and use common assessment tools, that within our program we provide opportunities for reflection on program outcomes. We also utilize a common language and terms in our program, and we give feedback specifically tailored to our program level outcomes. So back to our original question. Why should we care about having an aligned curriculum in our program design? Well, it's because a system of knowledge, skills, and values exists that are important. So we've created a program instead of having discrete learning experiences planned in isolation. And we want to shepherd our novice learners through that program in a way that will ensure they are likely to gain the skills, knowledge, and values required to become a prepared graduate. We know that the best way to do that is to design our program with clear purpose in mind that has an intentional scope and sequence, taking into account the principles of effective learning, and this is called a curricular alignment.